Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Moreware. Moreware represents the materialization of a dream, a brand that brings together the characteristics and interests of the founder, Luigi Morelli, and his friends, Fabrizio Bianchini, Simone Candido, and Danilo de Finis. Moreware is information technology, computer science, electronics, and prototyping, but also an educational offer, a study path, sharing and realizing ideas. The group was born almost for fun in July 2019, tired of the lack of professionalism evident in all areas of IT, from teaching to journalism, from consulting to design. Four friends decided to join forces in search of a common idea, which consists in offering guaranteed and effective training and information. It all starts with the creation of a technical blog specialized in a market niche with few followers in Italy, the world of microcontrollers and single-port computers, or in other words, Raspberry Pi and Arduino. We alternate daily articles focusing on the latest hardware news, on the management of slightly more complex projects, or on the description of technological basis. Articles tend to bring a breath of fresh air to the heavy informational landscape, and same in-depth but engaging approach tends to appeal to readers. We begin to offer our presence on social networks to publish articles also in English, always guaranteeing our daily frequency. It is at this point that we decide to offer our know-how not only through the media, but also through teaching. We organize thematic courses starting from a basic offer, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, programming languages, electronics, up to a more in-depth program, C language, algorithms, databases, IT security. Our courses are as their main purpose the preparation of the student for the world of work. They do not produce questions and theoretical information. Rather, they offer the prospect of creating real and functioning projects, simulating in all respects a real-world environment, in which to learn how to manage interaction, contacts and deadlines, but without the stress of control. And of course, we are in collaborative contact with several secondary and tertiary training institutes. Based on these assumptions, we have extended the computer lab to the electronic to facilitate the inclusion of topics that are often not properly conjugated by the school system. In fact, we design and manufacture small interface cards from MCU and SBC, educational circuits perfectly usable in real life. We are currently one of the most active social channels in Italy, in the SBC prototyping panorama. We produce educational e-books and live events. For this reason, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on the various social media. We will be there. We want to grow with you, making our brand a touchstone. See you soon!